Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I customize my home screen on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Android phone and this is my home screen, and I'm going to show you how I customize my home screen. First of all guys, I like to get weather information from my home screen, so I'm going to add the weather widget. We can tap and hold on any empty area on our home screen, then we can go to widget, and here we can scroll down to find the weather. Just click on this weather and you can choose the type of the weather information you would like to get, and I'm gonna go with this one, weather and clock. So I'm gonna click on it, then click on add. Okay, and now the weather widget has been added to my home screen, and I'm going to get a quick access to Google. So I'm going to add Google search bar to this home screen. We can tap and hold again. Okay, then we can go to widget, and I'm going to search for the Google. Okay, this is the Google search bar. I'm going to add it to my home screen. Then the third one, I'm going to add important applications, some important applications to this home screen. Here I have added some, and I'm going to add more application. We can go to our app screen, and then for example, I'm going to add the Google application. We can tap and hold on it. Then we can simply click on add to home. Okay, and I'm just going to place it right here, and then Instagram will be better, so I'm gonna add it to home screen, and I'm going to add the Telegram as well, add to home, and then the last one, I'm going to add the gallery application. This is the gallery, then add to home. Okay, and I think it looks perfect, and that's how I customize my home screen on Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.